Imagine being able to design your absolute dream home in 3D in under 10 minutes, completely powered by AI. Well, in 2026, you don't need a professional architecture degree to do it. Today, we're looking at Planner 5D, an incredibly popular home design platform used by over 120 million people to design and visualize spaces. Whether you want to remodel a single room or build an entire house from scratch, this tool makes the process incredibly simple. Here is how it works. You start by either drawing a floor plan from scratch or simply uploading an existing 2D blueprint. Planner 5D's AI-powered tools can actually recognize your uploaded layout and instantly convert it into an editable 3D model. From there, you get access to a massive library of over 8,000 furniture and decor items to style your space exactly how you want. To make things even easier, you can use their AI interior design features to automatically decorate and style rooms, helping you avoid costly real-life mistakes before you buy a single piece of furniture. Once you're happy with the layout, you can generate realistic 4K renders that adjust lighting, shadows, and colors to show you exactly what the finished space will look like. They even support advanced features like augmented reality and Apple Vision Pro, so you can virtually walk through your design. Now, what do actual users think? Based on over 645 reviews on G2 and Capterra, Planner 5D holds a strong 4.4 out of 5-star rating. Users love how smoothly the software runs across different platforms without lagging, and many highlight how amazing it is to watch the AI turn flat 2D blueprints into fully interactive 3D spaces. While our current review data is limited to these highly positive platforms, some users note that getting the absolute most out of the tool might require exploring their Pro editions. Overall, if you want an easy, visual, and AI-assisted way to bring your home ideas to life, Planner 5D is absolutely worth checking out. Head over to planner5d.com to start your first project, and let me know in the comments what you're planning to design. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. See you in the next one.